How long is her hair? Her hair is very long. How long is the Golden Gate Bridge? The bridge is 2,703 meters in length. How long is a piece of string? How long is the queue? It's a long queue. How long is it till the lesson finishes? The lesson finishes in 15 minutes. How long is it from your school to your home? It is 10 minutes by car from my school to my home. How long is the sofa? The sofa is 2.4 meters long. How long is a football pitch? The average football pitch is between 90 and 120 meters. How long is the average human tongue? The average human tongue is about 10 centimeters long. How long is the movie? The movie lasts 90 minutes. How long is a football match? A football match lasts 90 minutes plus extra time. How long is the Great Wall of China? The Great Wall of China is 5,500 miles. How long is the flight from London to Paris? The flight time from London to Paris is 2 hours. How long is the train journey from Glasgow to London? The train time from Glasgow to London is 6 hours and 20 minutes. How long is your nose? My nose is 7 centimeters in length. How long is his neck? His neck is very long.
How long is his Christmas wish list? His Christmas wish list is very long.